Next, I'll show you how to create assignments for your classes. Simply log in, select Class Manager, click on your class, and then what you have is Class Assignments, hit Add. Okay, and you have three options there: Practice and Instruction, Writing Assignment, and Test Builder. I'm going to quickly show you each one. Practice and Instruction is what you're going to most typically use. This is where students log in, they view a lesson, and then they complete certain activities with them. So simply click Create an Assignment, add in the title. You can then choose a due date. You can activate it now, or you can schedule it, and any instructions. For math, you can have calculators pop up or not. You can stick with the school preferences in terms of when game mode is activated, or you can change it. Next, then, you can go through and select, here we'll just go through, your course. So we'll just kind of select one there. And this is going to have all the different lessons that you have there. Okay, so select whichever unit you're on. And lastly, you select your students. Once your classes are set, they're going to show up here, so you can then have it be connected with each of those, or you can have just specific students if you want to further differentiate. From there, you hit Save and Exit, and your assignment, your practice assignment, is done. Another option is Writing Assignment. So for this, you can have prompts and have students write them in there. Similar to before, you select the due date. There are graphic organizers already created for them, so you don't have to instruct that. So if you're doing a timeline, cause and effect, whatever it might be, so you can select one of these. It'll give you a preview of each so you can look. So it'll provide them with that. You can turn on spell check or not, and there are also some writing rubrics that are already there, or you can create your own and add them. So it's all integrated directly into the site. Then there are some some prompts that are already created. So middle school persuasive, and it's going to have some already there, so you can just use their assignment. This is great for, say, subplans if you're going to be out, or you can create your own prompt. Here, just kind of type in what you have, and then the last step is simply to select your students that is going to be assigned for. Once you've done that, save and exit, and you're good. Last option is Test Builder. So for here, similar, you just put in title, instructions, then you can move on to questions. Now questions, there are going to be some that are already in there. So you select, North Carolina Algebra 2, whatever it might be, and it's going to have some tests already created. So you can select right from there, and it'll load the questions. Now, you can then scan through what they have, and if you say, okay, I like this one, this one, this one, and then save those. You can also search just based on, okay, maybe you really want to focus on, in order to work your way up, Bloom's, sequencing. So you can just look at then questions from there, so filtering. Once you've added all the ones you have, hit save, and then you're going to select Create Assignment now. You put in the details, the due date, whether calculator is allowed, that kind of things. Next, you go to Students, select your class, save and exit, and the test can be waiting for them. It's nice in that it's streamlined, it's already tied to the standards, and it's going to do a lot of the grading and the logistical work for you. So that's how you can create tests.